Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a crypto wallet on Binance. First, you will need to register for a Binance account using your email address or mobile phone number. This initial step is quick and straightforward. Next, complete the identity verification process, often called KYC, to unlock all features and increase your security. Once verified, you can easily find the wallet section within the Binance application or website. This sets the foundation for managing your digital assets. Protecting your digital assets is paramount, so let's talk security. Always enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, using an authenticator app or SMS for an extra layer of defense. Create a robust and unique password, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Remember, Binance will never ask for your password via email. Stay vigilant against phishing scams by always checking the website address before entering any credentials. These steps significantly reduce risks. Now that your wallet is secure, let's get some funds in there. First, decide which cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. Navigate to the deposit section and select your chosen asset, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Binance will then provide a unique deposit address for that specific coin. Carefully copy this address and paste it into your external wallet or another exchange when initiating the transfer. Always double-check the address to ensure accuracy before confirming the transaction. With funds in your wallet, you're ready to manage your digital assets. Regularly check your balances and review your transaction history to stay informed. Binance offers various features like trading, staking, and even earning interest on certain cryptocurrencies, allowing your assets to potentially grow. When it's time to withdraw, understand the process and any associated network fees. Always ensure you are sending funds to the correct external wallet address. Enjoy your journey into the world of crypto.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.